So welcome everyone. For this video, I thought I'd just give you an update on everything that's been happening behind the scenes. So first things first, I'm going to be at the first annual Hand Tool Haven Plain Wellness fundraising event. So it is a tool show that is happening July 19th in Freeport, Pennsylvania. So that is in the Pittsburgh area. So it's going to have speakers and demonstrations and vendors. It's shaping up to just be a really great tool show. So I have left all of the information down below. Check that out if you are interested. Again, July 19th in Freeport, Pennsylvania. So I will be there. I am bringing some tools along with me. First up, a little bit of a sneak preview. I have been working on some replicas of medieval hand planes. So I have been trying to build these like they would have been built way back when. That has been a lot of fun and a lot of experimenting to try to get to the same point that the original crafts people had. The other thing I've been working on is I've been working on another run of my mini paring chisels. Those are shaping up to be real nice. I got a little more flattening to do on the backs. A little bit of polishing and sharpening there. Those are almost ready to go. The other thing I've been working on is my own formulation of paste wax. So Johnson has gone away, and that kind of gave me the push to develop something of my own that I like, and I can't, it's not at the whims of a big company on whether or not we can get it. So I will have some tins available with me at the Hand Tool Haven, and then I've also been just hoarding just beautiful pieces of wood. All of these should be some pretty nice hand planes. So I've got a lot of blocks just itching to be turned into something. So again, hopefully all of that stuff will be with me at Hand Tool Haven this coming July 2025. Again, all the information is below. As for the shop itself, you can't quite tell from this angle, but if I do a pan, you can see it is absolutely destroyed. So and that's for two reasons. So one, I just got done teaching a class and I haven't put anything away. And the other reason is I am starting to work on a shop expansion. I don't know how much of that is going to be shown on camera. I'm not quite sure how I can make sanding drywall interesting. I know there are other makers that can, but that one I don't know if is in my wheelhouse, so I'm not sure how much content will be generated from that, but that is taking up some of my time. And the plan is that this new area, all of the metal working is going to get moved in there permanently, and then I will have some more room on the wood side. This side right now, where I'm currently at, so I can actually kind of walk around in here. So if anybody has been curious on why my content output has slowed way down, this was just a long-winded way of explaining why. There's just a lot of stuff going on. And with all that said, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.